Okay, so I have this now relation which is built from 4 points. 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. 4 points. Okay, this is represent a connection x between x and y. This is represent a connection between x and y. This represents a connection between x, y. This represents a connection between x and y. If you want to see these connections, it's very easy. You can do it as mapping if you want. Okay, if you want to do this as mapping, so if x is equal to minus 6, okay, the y will be, you know, this is x, this is y, okay, y will be minus 4, okay, and you have a connection here. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3, and you have a connection here. When x is equal to 3, then you have also minus 4. Okay, when x is equal to 4, you also have minus 4. So that's it. Okay, so that's if you want to see the mapping of it. Okay, again, you see that every x has only one arrow coming out. Every x has only one y. Yeah, they can be sharing the same y, like those, but no problem. There's no problem at all. As long as every x has only one y. Every x has one y. Every x, one y. Every x, one y. This x here, and you can tell this x, okay, by something called the vertical line test. If you have 2 points on the same vertical line, then you have a problem. Because when suppose you have two values for one x, suppose you have 2 and 3, you have 2 and minus 4. Then you have one value here, one point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. So this will be a problem. 2 points in the same vertical line is a problem. So if you scan the curve with a vertical line always, and make sure always you only have 1 point on any vertical line, then that's fine. It's a function. You can say simply that this is a function. Okay? But if you have 2 points on the same vertical line, suppose you have a point here and another point here. Suppose this is not the case, but suppose this is what happened. Then you don't have a function. In this case, you won't have a function. Okay? But this is not the case. I don't have a point here. But if you have a point here, the same vertical line, the same x has one y up, one y down, this is not function anymore. Okay? But this is not the case. Okay, I'm just going to erase this. No, I should erase this, but anyway. Okay, we don't have this anyway. Okay, but if you have 2 points on the same vertical line, then it will be not function. Clear the condition?